All right, Asa, do
Man.
you remember where we left off with From? Because none of us do.
Well, you
Hey, Jake.
see, last time on From.
Oh, Jake, are you gonna watch From with us again?
Fuck it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Well, here now, you have to watch one episode.
Fair enough. I'll watch it.
It's your present to me when you found out I got engaged.
Yeah.
So to answer your question, the only thing I can remember is the lady of Kami House was like didn't like herself because everyone thought she was a bitch and she was right.
Well,
and,
yeah, but that's the whole show.
And that's it. That's it. That's it. I genuinely. It's not with the kids. And Victor and his dad went on the ground and they had to run away.
Okay,
that happened.
So Jake, here's what you need to know to get caught up. We're on so you last watched like season 1. We're now on season 3. Here's everything that's happened since that point.
We don't know.
Some new people came to the town.
Come on, you're in the joke. You shouldn't have said anything at all.
Yeah, I know.
You know, it's amazing how meandering this fucking show is. Like for like the entire hour, and then that last 30 seconds, they're like, "Here's a cliffhanger."
Yeah,
we're about to reveal something very big, and then you go into the next episode. It's just more of the same.
And we're definitely gonna reveal something this time, guys. It's definitely coming.
Yep, it's coming. And then cut the black. Tune in next week.
Some new people came to the town.
Some new people. That's
really
about it. Honestly, that's about it. Yeah, that's basically it. Oh, and Fat Tina is pregnant.
Oh yeah, she's eating like shit. Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. She's pregnant and she's eating garbage because of it, and nobody thinks that's weird.
like literal garbage.
Yeah, like rotting,
yes.
like rotting like potato peels and stuff.
Yeah.
Yes, and carrots that are rotten.
Was it dead people or injured people or something?
Yeah.
She started licking the blood of that lady that died. Yeah, she did. Yeah,
and she ate somebody. Nobody's finding this odd. Everybody's kind of like, oh, it's so cool that you're pregnant. Yeah,
it's just cravings, you know. It's normal.
I used to lick.
Yeah, when her husband found out, he went, "That's bit odd. Maybe we should look into it." Like after several scenes of this happening,
and then they went like, "It's normal to have cravings." Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, it's normal.
So yeah, that's where we've left off.
So you're all caught up.
You're all caught up.
What is this utter clown show?
It's called Frog, and we love it.
Jake,
don't ask why though.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
I'm
just saying, Jake, you've missed out by not joining us for these. Like these.
No, he hasn't. He's lived his life. God damn it.
Well, realistically, no. Realistically, no, you haven't, because you've come in for what, two episodes now. So yeah,
that's like a war veteran coming home with no legs, saying, "You missed out, man. It was a hell of a tour."
So yeah, one
psychological trauma. We're like, it made it perfect.
Yeah, so you've seen one episode, so you've missed like you've missed maybe one or two plot points over the course of like what you've missed.
You fucking serious? What?
Well, they bring up plot points and then just kind of ignore them, or they get solved anticlimactically. So it's like, oh, I guess that was a thing.
Like there was
Radio Tower in season 1 that kind of just ended.
I don't remember what happened last.
I don't either.
Probably nothing. Probably nothing, yeah.
The most wild thing about all of it is that there's also Victor and Victor's dad, which are unironically like written really well.
They're really
together.
good, yeah.
Yeah, it's like actually actually unironically good
scenes.
And that's like the only thing about it that's like, and then you just like, you get these, we'll get these really, really good scenes with Victor and his dad, and then it'll just cut back to this other stuff that doesn't have anything to do with anything, and it's just terrible again.
It proves they can write good stuff.
Yeah.
It's just they refuse to do it for anyone else.
It's like, we're going to write these two characters good and the rest of them terrible.
Well, why couldn't you write the rest of them like this?
Because then we wouldn't have Frog.
The spirit of Frog.
To keep my sanity, it could be that I'm in my headcanon is they're both ad-libbing those scenes. Like those scenes written down, the actors is ad-libbing everything. And they're like, we'll keep it in. That's why it's good.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, like I don't understand anything about life.
So Jacob, so he's proved that you've missed out then, right?
That's true.
I guess
It's like,
perhaps I don't know.
God, we're on episode fucking 7. Nothing's happened.
We're almost done with season 3. We can do it.
Well, how much is in the sea season 3, and where are we at?
We are on episode. You said 7, Tom?
Yeah, this is 7 now.
Yeah. So there's 4 episodes left. I went too far.
Yeah.
I went way too far. Wow.
You spoiled the whole thing.
Yeah.
It just revealed all the mystery boxes.
I did. Okay. All right.
but anyway, From.
Yep.
Man.
Here we go. Frog.
My role of a foreign racist has been automated.
Oh boy, it's frozen.
Your computer's like, please, no.
Oh, there it goes. It fixes
No
itself.
more fun.
What?
You've seen it too much. I'm worried about you.
We couldn't get an actual lion. Are you pissing me?
You could there's people to talk to out there, man.
Previously on Frog.
Sorry, I just thought previously on From.
Lady shooting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Help me, Elgin. I can save all of you.
I think
What the fuck is that?
Oh,
That's a woman.
Okay, I'm sorry, Red. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry,
I
Red.
completely-
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I have
Red.
to. I have
It's
to
fine.
catch. I have to catch Red up, or not Red, or Jake. There's too many. There's too many people in
No,
this call.
no. You do have to catch us up as well, though, because none of us know what's going on.
Okay, so Jake, that kid is that we know him as Vomit Man, and so he's seeing a random Korean. Yeah. There's like a Korean geisha woman that's like talking to him and saying, "Hey, do this, and we'll let you out of the town." And that's it. That's it.
Ow.
So,
Wonderful.
yeah.
Your body's exhibiting signs of a psychosomatic pregnancy.
What is that?
It means you're retarded. And your body's retarded too. It means your body is so retarded it listens to your retarded brain.
Hysterical pregnancy. Isn't that what they used to call it? Hey, no one here thinks you're being hysterical.
I do.
I do.
It's just Randall in the back. I do.
Yeah.
You stupid!
Your wife is crazy. You must section her.
It is your duty as your husband to have her committed.
I'll get you the papers.
Yeah.
I'm a very conservative lesbian. Old ways are the best.
Very conservative lesbian.
I am pregnant. It's still there. I can feel it.
Just take a second.
I don't fucking want that.
I don't want that. I'm pregnant. I promise.
Yeah, I'm not hysterical. Immediately break something.
Yeah.
I want to go home. Fatima.
Hey,
I just want to go, Fatima.
it's raining outside, okay? I don't want you walking all the
Worried
way.
about the fucking rain?
Yeah, you're gonna get wet.
Yeah. You want to get wet? You want your hair to look like Christie's? That's what's going to happen.
Yeah,
You could use that as a threat, Will. You want your hair to look like Christie's? Really?
I'm not scared. You need to talk. You talk. I know you can talk.
You'll never get anything out of me, Victor.
Little do you know, Victor, that you have already sprung my trap.
My plan has come to fruition. You sprang my trap gloriously, you fool.
You want me to tell you of the mystery boxes? Oh, silly Victor.
I know you want to know.
I can give you this information.
But you must give me something in return.
Cop. We're doing good cop, bad cop.
Yeah.
You're coming to rough up the puppet.
Oh, how sentimental. A lovely family reunion.
It'd be a shame if anything happened to your father, Victor.
It'd be a shame if something horrible happened to him, much like your mother and sister.
Oh, yes, I do know about this, Victor.
I
was
may-
the one who orchestrated it, yes.
I may or may not have had something to do with it. All right. I'm changing my mind. Puppet's the best character.
Puppet Victor, Victor's dad. Yeah, I told you. I knew that would happen.
Yeah. It took some time to get around to it, but you know, the character that me and Will have invented for him. Yeah,
right.
I'm into it. I like it.
He's pretty good.
He's pretty good.
I'm a little biased because we invented it, but hey, it's good. Better than anything in this show.
Victor, you can't keep doing this.
Victor, you can't keep doing this. We're in a magical hell dimension.
Yeah, you can't try to put the plot forward. We have too much time, Victor.
Wait, why is this guy dressed like Arthur?
We've got two more episodes.
Why is this guy dressed? Victor is dressed like Arthur Fleck from Joker.
He's literally Joker from Wish.
Hey, what you working on?
Oh, it's just a little.
Just a little wasting my fucking time.
I was gonna say, what the hell are you doing? What has this idiot been doing this whole time?
Making dream catchers, dude. He's trying. No one else can help him with his Korean ghost lady, so he's trying anything. He's on to native solutions.
Yeah.
I'm making this with Fatima.
I'm making a demon dream catcher. Yeah.
Doesn't it need to be look like a net or something? Like have like a cross pattern to it?
No.
Yes, what he made there is like a wind chime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, you know what?
I like how the camera was behind him and yet it still flashed the entire screen. Yeah.
The Japanese demon lady took that picture.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a ghost in your camera.
Polaroid. I mean, how many Polaroids has he taken? Because like I'm pretty sure, or does he? There's like infinite.
It's a magic demon camera.
It's
it
a
can do
magic
whatever it
demon
wants.
camera. Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to gain the power of the wind chimes.
Ching ching chingle dingle 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 ding ding.
You can't say that word, Jacob.
Lucky that new ambulance came in.
Oh, and then we don't get to see it, dude. What a waste of my fucking time.
Well, to be fair, it wouldn't have exposed yet. He's looking at a blank fucking picture right now. To be completely fair,
that's true.
It takes a couple of minutes to expose.
It could have been worse. They could have held on that for 2 minutes while he waited for the while he waited for the picture to expose
and to collapse my gay little steel man, I suppose. Nobody that wrote this knows that those take time to expose.
Yeah, no, I did think that as well. Yeah, because like you take the Polaroid camera, you take the picture, you take the picture out, you shake it, and then the picture's there. That's how it works.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, I know last night was a lot. I also know what it's like to feel violated by this place.
It's not your fault. Just cut to it.
It's not your fault.
Is everything okay?
No, Ellis. Everything is not okay. What are you talking about?
You're not wet from the rain, are you?
Like, what's your problem, honey?
You literally came in and said, "What's wrong?"
Being hysterical.
Calm down.
I thought he was about to walk out. It's like, all right, well, enough of that.
I'm out of here.
Why isn't anybody listening to me?
It's not your
Okay,
fault.
honey.
What's wrong?
That's it.
I'm gonna try that. Anytime Amelia starts going off, it's like it's not your fault.
And my stomach is getting bigger.
Well, that's just because
Well,
you're getting
I
fat.
wasn't gonna say anything, but you know.
Yeah.
Maybe eating all that compost.
He's all this fucking garbage you're eating.
I mean, that's not due to pregnancy, darling. That's just you've been scarfing down a lot of cookies lately. That's all I'm saying.
Maybe it's just
My belly's getting bigger. That's because you're eating more. No.
Maybe it's just water weight.
That's impossible.
Lay off the garbage potato skins and drink more water. Come on, babe.
If there's nothing there, if the baby isn't real, that means that it's me.
Well, we already knew that.
That means I'm the demon, and that's so much worse than if my baby was the demon.
Yeah, they didn't think that one through very hard. I mean, yeah, I kind of assumed that anyway, but I mean,
yeah, that's how that works.
Correct. No, enough
They've
of that.
already explained that to us once. I'm happy they could just explain it again.
I look forward to the next time we get to be explained it.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, when she's screaming at Donna. It's me.
I'm Pregante.
This place finally got to it.
Like Abby.
Yeah, like Abby.
Iron Abbey?
Don't you, I was gonna say, don't you mean Iron Abby?
You fucking bitch.
You gotta include her title. She was a Marine.
She was a fucking Marine, you son of a bitch.
While we're figuring it out, I don't think it's a good idea that they stay at Colony House.
So Donna doesn't want Ellis and Fatima staying at her house at Colony House
Oh yeah, because she has standards.
because she might be a danger to everybody.
Now we can't be bringing any of that riffraff into Okami house now.
We're a civilized bunch.
We're civilized here.
Put my hands up. That's acting.
All right, are we cutting away? Are we getting ready to cut away? No,
Yes,
we're gonna
we-
hang. We're gonna hang longer. Okay, we're down. Okay, there we go. Yeah.
You needed that shot.
No.
How the fuck are you growing coconuts out of the ground?
I'm gonna go get some.
literally
I'm
forgot.
gonna go get some cookies if I'm gonna watch
Jake,
this.
you are going to miss so much if you leave right now.
Looking at cabbage.
People drink alcohol.
Liar!
Jacob eats cookies.
You're going to miss them picking cabbages.
Bring some cookies to me. For me.
Yeah, for like 45 minutes straight of them picking cabbages. That's what you're gonna
I'll
miss,
have a
Jake.
cookie.
Man, those vegetables came straight out of the grocery store. They did not
No.
pick that off of the ground.
No, they grew them.
Yeah.
Yeah, they grew them. They grew at Costco right there.
They did.
The show is so slow, dude. Oh my god.
Well, yeah. Well, add it to the list. This show's so exciting. We're talking about cookies.
Yeah.
Tabitha?
Dad!
Father.
What happened?
Nothing.
Oh, like usual?
You're getting
Okay,
quiet
cool.
again.
Yeah. Yeah, just making sure, Ethan.
What the hell's going on?
Oh, the actor does not give a fuck.
No, he is checked out so hard, dude.
That whole
I
scene
respect him.
was
Yeah.
they turned up. That was that scene.
Oh, hi. There's an episode of From playing, isn't there? Right, sorry. It's the middle of the season dry spell where everyone's just talking to each other and complaining about the problems they're having. Jake really has a knack for picking the episodes he comes in on, huh? Anyway, we're almost halfway through the episode. Let's see if we can play some catch up. Jade explains to Jim how it was his idea for Tabitha to come out here, as the previous episode had ended with her explaining that she used to have the recurring dreams of the red rocks and effigies of this village. Jim is not a fan of this plan for whatever reason, and spends the next 2.5 scenes afterwards complaining to her about it. So yeah, From is in rare form with its sad monologues today. They're spanning past the scene cuts now, and it's jarring enough to the point where I'm going to be merging them all into this part of the video instead of how it plays out chronologically, because of how weird it is when it randomly interrupts a different scene only to cut back to it after a minute or two of them complaining at each other. Like I said, you really know how to pick your appearances here, Jake.
Do you think I'm making this up?
Oh, and she's the best actress in the show.
Oh yeah,
So is he.
everyone's the best actor.
Yeah, he's also the best actress.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do? Give up? Stop trying?
I don't know.
He's so checked out. I don't even think that was his line. He's just like, I don't care.
Sarah? She heard voices and she tried to murder our child.
But that's different.
Yeah, but that subplot's over, Jim.
Yeah, that was season 1.
That was like
Get
so
over that.
long ago, Jim. What?
What's wrong with you?
Awesome.
So we got high on the bus together. Now you're gonna be all weird towards me.
I'm not being weird.
Leave
Oh,
me
no.
alone.
No.
We're not having a romantic connection. Go away.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
It's the secret hatch.
Meow.
It's the lost hatch, everyone.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Meow.
Wait, what was on the picture?
The hatch.
This.
Well,
The hatch.
they haven't revealed it yet. It's gonna be a spooky reveal.
Kill me, Elgin.
Kill me, Elgin.
Vomit on me.
You brought a flashlight. Elgin, Boyd doesn't talk to me anymore. You're my new bestie.
Is that a flashlight? That'll come in handy.
Will you
You don't have any aversion to worms, do you?
Somebody just moved in there.
I saw something.
My vomit is your vomit.
No.
You know, I would take those baskets because, like, oh my god, we could probably use these.
No.
Oh, look, there's a table. You could use that table. Oh, there's some pallets. You could probably use those pallets.
That'd be daft. That'd be silly.
What would they do with
There's some boxes. You could use some of those boxes.
In this community, we do nothing to help ourselves.
Jacob, it sounds like you need to fucking grow up, okay?
Yeah. In the real world, you don't use stuff.
Jump scare. Jump scare. 3,
No.
2,
No.
1.
No. Don't do it.
Baby,
Don't you
watch
do
it.
it, Joe.
Do it, show. You know you want to.
Do it, cowards.
Do it. Do it. Oh, he's going to turn around. It's going to be a jump scare. It's a fake out. It's going to turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around. Turn around. Do it. Do it.
It's going to be Martin. Come on, Martin. Martin.
Behind him. It's going to be behind him. It's going to be behind him.
Kill me, Elgin. Elgin. Don't Elgin, come back.
Oh,
I'm in the walls.
Oh, there's a knock.
He's in the walls.
Wait, you hear a knocking and you move it rather than open it. Okay.
Yeah, that's a little. That's a little.
Oh yeah,
odd. Yeah. That's not. Yeah.
There's a knocking on the wardrobe. It must be behind the wardrobe from a secret door.
Yeah, it's probably the Ankui kids. Giving them clues.
Oh, okay.
All right, well.
And Cluey.
And Cluey.
Oh my god, are we gonna get an episode where like all of the dead come back to life and they're just like, would you like to buy a timeshare over at the corner?
No, that would imply something's gonna happen.
Silly Jake.
Oh, is that?
Would you like an Ann Cluey for your mystery?
Hey, she didn't get a grave marker.
That's gonna be the police officer's whole arc for the rest of the season. Like, I'm sad that I shot that one bitch.
Yeah.
And what's your kill count up to? 75. All misfires.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I was reaching for my taser.
Subsequently, it's also her first day on the job.
Okay, enough of that scene.
All right, well.
Yeah, that was fun.
That's good.
All right, well, back onto this. All right, what do you have to say
Do
to that,
you
Kenny?
think Kenny will have a relationship with Acosta, the
I don't give a
police
shit.
officer?
Oh yeah, Jake. This is Kenny. He's really sad all the time,
His dad died and his mom died.
and his girlfriend's a lesbian.
That's his captain.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh my god, that's like a
And it's his
bit
fault.
worse than death.
And all of it is his fault.
Yes.
And why is there a sheriff's station that looks like a post office or a goddamn travel agency sign? I mean, what kind of psycho built this place? I want to know why no one's asking these questions.
We don't really
did.
do anything around here, you know.
We just kind of do nothing, really.
I mean, if there's no one here to
Yeah,
know,
nobody
they're not going
changed
to
the
get
sign,
answers
and
for
she's
it.
upset about it.
How come nobody's updated this town? The
Yeah,
hell?
how come nobody put police station where the post office is? This is ridiculous.
This is nonsensical.
I want to speak to your mayor.
I mean, you show up and you think to yourself, I'm gonna figure this out.
How many times have we had this monologue?
Never gets old.
Never
It's
gets old.
classic. Well,
It's a classic.
it's part of the classic that made the show what it is today.
That is true. That is true.
Given some time, you'll pass.
Pass.
Well, no to all of that. There are people that are digging. She's not talking to any of those people. Like, she's talking to Boyd, who's pissed off at her. because she killed somebody. The only one that's willing to talk with her is Kenny because he doesn't know how to talk to a woman. So there's just a woman that's in there talking. He's like, You're talking to me. Does that mean you like me? Are you my new girlfriend? But she's why is no one asking these questions? Like, shut up. You're just trying to bury that you killed somebody.
Yeah.
All right, what's happening in this show? I've not been paying attention this last 10 minutes because of this.
I hope it's a fuck.
Well, a bunch of random scenes that have nothing to do with each other and don't actually contribute anything to the overall plot.
No, literally nothing has happened since we started watching this episode.
I know, right? Like
I haven't. We are 25
I have been looking
minutes
at the
into this
screen,
episode,
but
and
nothing important has happened.
Nothing has happened.
I think the most important, or at least interesting thing, is that the fat black man went into a room.
That's all.
And he thinks a wind chime is a fucking dream catcher or something.
Yes. We learned so much about his character.
The whole idea of just throwing up your hands and saying, "Oh well, I tried," that's not how I'm built.
Yeah, is that why you keep killing random people?
People throw up their hands and she shoots.
They called me Iron Acosta in the Navy.
I was a fucking Marine.
I wasn't a Marine in the Navy.
Yeah. I was a sailor in the Marines.
It's a sailor in the Marine Navy.
I was Black Ops too. I was a Black Ops Marine sailor in the Navy Marine Corps.
Marine sailor Navy.
Disarm bombs. Underwater bombs.
I was a lieutenant general in the Navy Marine Corps Black Ops Mega Super Ultra
Special
Soldier
Forces.
Unit, Special Forces Unit.
Yeah. Wow. I jumped in Fallujah. I blew on my back. Parachute didn't open. I rubbed some dirt on it, walked it off. Discharged
Landed
6
on my
months
feet.
later.
Fuck the landing. Barely a scratch.
I mean, no offense, the guy's kind of a dick.
Okay, so this is going to be the arc of I get mad at Boyd because he was mean to me and won't give me back my gun.
He took my gun.
Yeah.
There it is.
Not because you shot someone, you bitch.
Yeah, you killed someone, you daft cow.
Can you blame him?
You know, I'm gonna have to carry the weight of that, of what I did, for the rest of my life.
Oh wow, she has to carry the weight of how she killed somebody.
Yeah, right.
Literally out here losing.
I have to live with that. Better than the other person who had to die with that.
Well,
You didn't even.
Excuse me.
He made
All
her
right,
a
time to swap out actors. All right,
Not another actor. There's a new character coming in.
character.
It's not your fault, Kenny.
And now we're gonna have another 20-minute scene of these two talking.
I'm the bus driver. Yuck.
Oh, yeah, you are right.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I literally forgot this person was a character.
How could you
I
forget?
have to be paid for lines now. We will talk.
What are you doing?
Oh, you know.
Okay.
He's
He's
like,
just
oh,
gonna
this is pretty
sleep here now.
cozy. I think
That's pretty fucking good setup. I'm gonna stay here now.
This is how you talisman over on the wardrobe.
God,
and
is
I
that-
got
is that
myself a
the
pretty nice place.
I got my
here.
own little
no.
pile of dead rats here.
Oh, look,
okay.
it's-
Right, yeah,
Oh,
that's
look, a
fine.
roommate.
I got a beard.
No, now does it smell? Yeah.
Is this really where it happens?
Oh my goodness. Ohio gozaimasu.
Oh my goodness.
Arigato.
Can I go in your basement?
Yeah, sure.
No. Take that demon doll away. No.
Not with that thing, you can't.
Why?
Because I need him to tell me a secret.
Get that fucking accursed object away from me.
Like we hang rocks up in the windows to keep those things out.
Yeah, no. You can't. Anybody comes to me with a doll saying it's telling me things. Like I'm not. Nope.
You need to
Like,
go to
no,
I'm out.
you cannot go
Nope,
into my
nope.
basement with that. No.
Nope. Nope. I'm not even driving you to the church.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, come on, Victor.
All right.
I love that Sarah just doesn't question it. It's like,
Would
yeah,
you
sure.
like
Sarah's
some
just like,
coffee?
yeah, I haven't had any
You're
screen
just-
time for a while. Sure, you can do that.
My character needs something to do.
Just starts laughing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm here forever. I am eternal.
That's not a secret.
Jesus Christ, he is just discount Joaquin Phoenix.
He
looks
is.
Yeah,
almost
he is.
exactly like him.
And he's the best character.
He's the
Yes.
only character.
Exactly.
He's the only actor and the only character.
There's only one actor in the show, you know.
Yeah. Tell me, what's this bitch's name? Tell me her name.
I mean, I know what her name is. I've seen the show like 4 times at this point, Red.
Okay,
Yeah,
that doesn't count.
Veronica-
You're cheating.
Her name is Veronica, like Veronica Mars.
Yeah, nailed it.
Veronica Moyenstein.
I hope she kills someone we don't like. I hope she kills Donna.
That'd be cool. That'd be pretty
She
cool.
runs her over.
Dude, Donna would destroy that truck.
There'd be no
I'm
damage
not
to,
kidding. That
to her,
fucking
just
thing
the
would
truck.
be totaled.
Yeah, just drives into Donna. The truck wraps around Donna. Just doesn't damage her.
Oh.
She fucking just tosses it effortlessly.
You want some wood?
Now we get to see the exciting adventures of Donna doing dishes.
Oh, at least you might be doing something fucking useful for once, I
The
guess. you know.
Triple D story.
No, keep Victor's dad away from her. He's too good for you.
I could use a drink.
You know what? So could I.
I don't want actually. I didn't say I wanted to drink with you. That's fine. No, it's
Yeah,
okay.
I just said I
don't-
wanted a drink, not
Yeah.
with someone.
Oh, don't give this guy a romantic interest with Donna. That's gonna kill me.
Dan, why would you even put that out there?
Why? I wasn't even paying attention. What happened here?
So I saw someone in the background.
You
with
hate
the-
her because she's a woman and not
with-
the correct
with the
reasons.
yellow sheet.
Yes.
I thought that was like something in the background going like spooky ghost, but no, it was like someone I guess like making a bet
Let's go.
or
What
something.
the fuck was that about? That scene was his dad met Donna and they left.
What's the point of that?
Fucking hell. If you have a script for half a season, why are you making 5 of them?
I'm so angry.
This show is so good.
There's just so much you can like waste my fucking time before you're like, what the fuck are you doing? How are the fans of the show without? How can you watch that scene and go like, yeah, I'm a fan. I'll spend my time on fucking forums arguing about who's cuter or whatever.
Well, no, Lion, you don't understand.
Fucking
It's like-
wonderful.
it's like the perfect cure for insomnia. That's why people love it.
Hello?
Bang, 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 bang.
Pop.
Sorry, Misfire.
Yes, this scene. This is technically an important one, as it is the one where the writers endear Acosta to the audience. Definitely not the one where she comes in and immediately makes the fact that she killed someone about herself and then demands that Boyd give her her gun back. Nah, that would never happen. But regardless, it's fine. She just wants to make sure she has protection against the other buildings in the town.
A girl is dead because you panicked.
Yeah, I panicked because I was being chased in the dark by things that should only exist in a fucking nightmare.
Okay.
Your excuse
And
me.
you
because-
shot a person.
Yeah.
All those ghosts and ghouls, and you shot a person.
Yeah.
I don't have to prove shit to you. See this? I'm a cop.
There, you see, Boyd, and that's about as airtight of an argument as I can muster. And truth be told, if you want to look for some positives in the court of her having her gun back, keep in mind that it's sure as hell going to be keeping people away from the windows at night. We're not going to be having any more simps opening the windows for Jasmine so long as Acosta is guarding the town. No amount of talismans hanging in the doorways are going to be giving you that kind of protection, Boyd.
And when did you get out of the academy? 2 days? 3?
It's none of your business.
Okay, so that day, got it.
So yeah, 2.
Yeah.
That's my first day on the job.
Damn, I was 40 years away from retirement.
Oh man.
She doesn't like that he called her out. He's like, what did you get out of the academy? 2 days ago? 3?
I am the one who keeps people alive.
Well, from what I hear, you've been doing a pretty shit job at that lately.
Well, yeah, because you kill people. Yeah. Like, stop killing people.
Yeah.
Give me my gun.
There's your gun. You get your bullets when I think you deserve them.
Like, you don't think that she has extra mags?
Well, she probably doesn't. She doesn't strike me as one who would carry an extra mag.
Actually, she strikes me as the exact person that would carry an extra mag because it's regulation. She's fresh out of the academy. So they all stick by the guidebook to a fault.
Fair enough.
Whatever you say, Sheriff.
Except when it comes to not shooting innocent civilians.
Man,
I wouldn't. I just would have shot her.
I was
I'm done with this.
I was like,
Bang.
you gotta kill that woman. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Like, there's no reality where if I was Boyd, she would be walking around.
No, I was like, oh, you're crazy and kill people on accident.
Yeah.
Bang.
Yeah. No. Somebody who comes in, accidentally shoots somebody, and then acts like that at you is like, oh, okay, no, you have to die. Like, it's not even like personal at this point. Like, you are a danger to us. No. You are an active
There's nowhere
threat.
that you could. There's nowhere you could house her. The people in town are too retarded. You can't have a trial.
Yeah. Nope. This is one that just...
you have to, into the boo-boo box.
Yeah.
You okay?
My son is talking to a puppet. What do you think?
Anyway, despite being like 15 feet away from them, our A-team has finally made it to the rocks. So now Tabitha can give us some actual plot exposition now. Overall, the main thing you need to get from this is that Tabitha would hide behind one of the rocks because the probably puppet people were eating everybody or something, and she would always wake up right before she saw them. There's some back and forth about what this could mean, and though the pieces are starting to become visible, they are still missing a few to make the full picture.
We still must ask the question.
Yeah.
What does it mean, Shammy?
Yes. What is ultimately concluded upon, though, is that Tabitha's childhood dream more or less confirms that her and her family were pretty well doomed to find this town one way or another.
I still remember the fear when I was running.
The fear.
I fucking hate it here.
Here.
I started over there.
I was standing over there.
Then what?
Shut up.
Well, to be fair, she keeps pausing and not continuing the story. So, in Jade's defense.
To be fair, I do that. I'm like, what? I've hit Will with it before, like
as I'm pausing to take a breath.
I
like,
called
finish the story, woman.
Like verbatim.
I can't lose her.
You haven't lost her. She's still here, Ellis. And don't grieve the living before they're gone. I realize you don't know me very well.
But I used to lick eggshells.
And I don't want to. Yeah.
But if you need anything, I'm here.
I can give you a tarot card reading.
I can give you another sad monologue.
I can.
I got a lot of those.
I can give you a rain dance.
I've prepared 7 just for today.
I can give you a sad monologue while doing a rain dance.
Whatever I can do, whatever you need. Well, it may not be much, but I'm here.
The fact
Yeah,
just
man.
nobody notices that Elgin is gone, just like off on his own, setting up some
He's
weird torture dungeon.
fine.
You know? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
He's vomiting somewhere. He's fine.
Yeah.
No, the only one who probably would notice is Julie, and she's not on screen.
Yeah. Yeah, she doesn't exist right now, so unfortunate.
Hasn't existed a lot this episode.
Fat Tina's on the. Oh no.
No.
Oh,
Is she having a nightmare?
Oh man. Oh, she's doing the
no.
vacuum.
Wow.
Oh no.
Oh my god, she's imploding.
Oh no.
She's being vacuum sealed.
That's not your superpower.
Don't you steal that.
That's Elgin.
Yeah, really.
It's fine. I used to lick eggshells.
Oh, that's why you're so good
that's
at
more
anyway.
when you have a baby. That's the baby sucking your nutrients.
Do you need a tarot card, honey?
No, but it's okay because she's still alive. That means good. Anyway, I got all that out of the way. Let's check in on the B team. Dewey is driving Julie around because he's teaching her how to drive or something. I don't know. They just started hanging out last episode. I don't know why it led to this. Forgive me for not wanting to go back and check. But as he's doing this, he starts to see cicadas hitting the windshield. Okay, time to immediately pull the car over, Randall.
Well, time to stop driving.
Time to immediately pull over.
Stop the car.
Randall.
Stop the car, Randall.
What usually happens?
Randall.
What usually
Don't
happens?
be a naughty boy, Randall.
Randall, what you do when you find yourself in a cicada hallucination is you speed up and try to hit as many of them as you can so they don't stay in your hallucination.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Now, funnily enough, Zach.
Don't be a silly naughty boy.
You know what? You know what you ought to do? You ought to start driving faster.
I agree. Yeah. Let's get those bugs like swap them out.
See, Dan knows too. It's subconscious. That's exactly what you're supposed to do.
Yeah.
Stomp on the accelerator. There may be a bug there.
Yeah. There's a brief moment where he continues driving for whatever reason, making sure everyone thinks that he's going to be crashing because of it, before coming to a stop at the next plot point.
Randall, hey! What is the
Also, he was messing around with its steering wheel, but the van still went forward.
Get him off me! Get him off me!
It's not connected to anything for safety reasons.
Safety reasons. Man.
Let's go the fuck home.
Hey!
Get off me.
Yeah, just go the fuck home, bitch.
Just leave me alone. I'm gonna walk down this convenient path that we managed to stop right in front of.
Right.
Or stay calm,
These
okay?
are powerful antipsychotics. You have no idea what kind of damage.
Okay, so what?
So Ellis immediately wanted to resort to giving his girlfriend antipsychotics.
Hell yeah.
A lot of them.
All right,
Apparently.
yeah.
That was a lot. Maybe try with like, I don't know, a quarter of one and see how she does. He had like 400 pills in the palm of his hand. He's ready to try anything.
Yeah.
A quarter an antipsychotic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the doctor, okay? And it is my job to use my brain and not my emotions when making decisions.
Oh yeah, you're really good at that.
Yeah, you're great at that. You're doing a bang up job every time. Is cool, calm, and calculated. Yepper. I don't want her final moments to be looking at a gun and dies screaming instead.
Well, you know.
Cool, calm.
Yeah.
Yep. Cucumbers.
Which fucking nightmare am I supposed to be afraid of?
Which nightmare am I supposed to be afraid of? Somebody was proud of that line. That was like, ooh, yeah.
Well, you want to know what would make you feel
They
better?
shouldn't be.
Dude? There's an ambulance behind you. You know, we could we could go for a ride, and you could turn on the siren.
Yeah.
You know, with these two's like lack of chemistry, if the show didn't tell you that they were father and son, I would not know
you
they were
would've-
father and son.
Yeah.
Like they have
Yeah,
such
there'd be no
lack.
way.
They have such like minimal chemistry, and like they barely share any screen time together throughout the series.
Yeah.
Like,
Well, Ellis is
it
hardly
bears-
in
it
the
bears,
show.
It bears
Yeah.
repeating. That's Boyd's
The-
son.
Yes.
This is the
You
most
know what I
he's
mean?
been in the show. Ellis, anyways.
Yeah,
Kinda
well, it's the
is,
most they've
kinda is.
had on the screen time together.
They weren't
Yeah,
doing
if
nothing
he
with it,
wasn't
team.
Boyd's son, he'd be dead like long before this
Oh
season.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Ellis just gives off strong season 1 character vibes.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Now, I just said Dewey and Julie were heading towards the next plot point, and I can now follow that up by saying, don't get your hopes up about it. Encountering a plot point in From doesn't mean we're going to be interacting with it. No. Right now, we're just going to stare at it for a minute and then leave. Yeah, that's not the From way. What show have you been watching for 3 seasons? Maybe we'll talk about it for an episode or 2, and then we'll go back and see what it is. Maybe. Come on, bring Martin back.
Oh my god! Yes, please.
on,
They don't
bring
even
Martin
have
back.
like good deaths in this show, you know?
This
Like,
is where
what do you
Boyd-
mean?
This is where Boyd saw Martin.
it's never anybody that you're
Oh.
shocked by, you know? You're not like, oh no, not fucking Eric.
Well, we only care about Victor,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
Well, to be fair, that's lasted a whole 2.5 seasons.
I think that we are the only From fans that have grieved Eric for as long as we have.
Yep.
Any length of time.
Yeah. I don't think any other From fan has us beat on that respect.
Which just shows they're not true from.
Yeah. We are the only true From fans, is what I'm
We're
getting
gonna
at with
gatekeep From.
What the hell is that?
I don't know.
Oh shit!
Really,
There you are.
Oh, he just came out of fucking nowhere.
It's good thing we're close.
Enter stage right.
They're gonna go in there, and Martin's gonna be on the wall, and he's gonna be like,
Please.
Julie.
run me over with your truck.
He doesn't have the torch though.
Yeah,
That's
well,
right. Boyd lit the torch and-
Well, this show makes up rules all the time, so I don't care.
Yeah.
As long as we see
as long
Martin.
as we see Martin again, I'll be happy.
Julie, we should go.
No, don't go in there. That's a reveal for season 4.
We think maybe.
Probably not.
Can you repeat the question?
No, I want to check it.
Hey, stop.
Oh,
It'd be great to see the puppet
exploring.
and,
No, go in
and
there.
Martin in the same
Go
scene.
in there.
Martin's in
Explore.
there. Go in there.
He's in there. He
Come
needs your
on.
help.
He needs your help. He needs you to kill him.
He needs you to kill him.
Come on.
Quick, we need your help.
Oh. Throws stuff on the screen.
Why are you wasting gas? Like, if you find a way out of here, wouldn't you want to save as
No,
much
they
gas?
have unlimited gas. Their car
Unlimited power.
Shut the
Unless
fuck
the,
up.
plot, unless the plot says so, they have unlimited everything.
Conserving gas. This dude's he's watching such a different show.
He really is.
He's like thinking about these people like trying to get out exactly like a person that just comes to this town would be thinking about getting out.
Yes. Yeah.
Fascinating.
Trash. I like trash. There's gotta be a point. You gotta put that clip in there somewhere. Will.
I'm sure I'll be able to find a place for it.
trash. I love trash. I remember what happens in this scene.
Yeah, they do
I
actually
don't.
have unlimited like electricity.
Oh my god.
Like it's a plot point.
Well, it is the end of the episode, so they are going to do something to be like, "Oh, tune in next week, dear."
We're at the end of the episode. Nothing has happened.
Everyone said that at least once.
Welcome to From. You understand why I had an outburst earlier, right?
Tune in
Because
next
this is
week
fun.
for another
This is what it is.
adventure.
Listen to me.
Would a rain dance help, honey?
Everything is gonna be okay. Just go. It's gonna be okay.
Another name. Oh no, she's gonna kill her.
Oh, she's gonna do something stupid.
I said so.
I'm.
Oh no. She tripped on her own tears.
Oh no.
What?
Why'd you do that?
Wait,
what the
happened?
fuck? I like her. All right, I take it back. This show does have some good emotional deaths.
She fell on her shears.
Yep.
That's not
I
emotional.
actually
That was
liked her a
comedic.
lot.
Help! Help! Help!
Help!
Help, I'm a murderer.
I'm sorry,
I
Tilly.
didn't mean it.
I'm sorry, Tilly. It was a misfire.
Help. You literally stabbed her in the heart. There is no help. She is dead.
Yeah, deceased.
You have to run.
You have to
Run
run.
where?
Come from?
Go to the woods. The demons will protect you.
What have I done?
Someone killed her. Some Puerto Rican guy came in here and killed her.
Ellis, I'm gonna have to live with this for the rest of my life.
Yeah, right. Ellis, I need you to think about how this is gonna affect me.
Congratulations, Sarah. Too.
I looked away. I looked away. How did that happen?
Like she stabbed her with a pair of shears.
She just
Like
randomly
this-
grabbed a pair of
No
shoes and just
reason.
turned
Like,
it
I
into
didn't even
stab.
understand that. Like I saw her grab them. I'm like, what's she gonna do with that? And then plunged them right through the old woman's chest.
Yeah.
It wasn't even like the cliche of like she gets angry and pushes her into something. She
Right, she
purposely
was fucking,
grabbed
like,
shears and stabbed her in the fucking chest.
Yeah, overhand, like hammer striked her right in the fucking,
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
intentional
like
murder.
right in the top of her lung.
This is your death scene. Blech.
It was fucking comedic.
When
I
the
mean, like,
when
at
the
least something happened at the end, but
true.
like,
No, but that's what always
that's
happens.
every episode, Jake. Every episode, something happens at the end.
why couldn't that just be like the opening of the episode where she stabs Cancer Lady and then like?
Because that would imply like there was some forward momentum, which there isn't.
Well, look at it this way,
Yeah.
Jake. The next episode is technically like right after she stabbed someone. So, you know. Yeah.
Possibilities.
Yeah.
They could have more scenes of talking about nothing and establishing they're going to go to a place to talk
Yeah.
about nothing.
How many scenes do you think there are going to be of them talking about Fatima killing Rain Dance Grandma here? Like, how many?
I don't know, 40 billion.
all of them.
And how many are going to have more substance than it's crazy she stabbed her? Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah.
I like that old woman.
She was starting to grow on me. She was starting to grow on me.
Oh, she was like my
I was pretty indifferent.
second favorite character. I liked her more than Victor. Sorry,
Well,
guys.
that's a
sorry,
wow.
not
Wow.
sorry. I liked her more than
Unforgivable.
Victor.
Unforgivable.
Yeah, sorry.
Yep.
Well,
Not
she doesn't do anything. She just spouts sad monologues and tarot cards.
Oh, she's kooky old woman. I liked
She's
her.
kooky grandma.
Yeah, well now
Yeah,
she's
you can't hate a grandma,
No,
Tom.
well,
what the fuck's wrong with you?
yes you can.
Welcome to the From fan club, Jake. It's you are now part of the Frumily, as they call themselves.
I didn't consent to this.
Well, unfortunately, Jake, you have no choice at this point.
God damn you, Will I Am.
There's something so incredibly exciting and fun about showing this, like starting in the middle of the show with somebody who's never seen it.
Yeah.
It's another,
You know
another
what they
human
said?
being.
That was pointless and stupid.
It's just another human being whose hope you've ripped from them. I think for season right. I think for season 4, well, you need to roll like a D8 and just see which episode you have to make Jacob appear on.
Oh God. Listen, you need to watch the series finale. Everything's gonna come together. Like, what the fuck is happening?
No, you need to watch.
No one knows what's happening.
No, you need to watch the penultimate episode, and that is all.
Yeah.
This is setting up for the finale. Is it really? No.